Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to export Google Calendar events. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar account or the web application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Calendar? It's pretty much simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Google Calendar, or that is going to automatically create an account for you. I'd like you to know that provided that your Google account is signed up or set up in your PC, creating an account or signing into Google Calendar would not be that much of a problem, because once your Google account has already been created, then Google Calendar will create an automatic account for you. That's because Google Calendar is one of Google's products and they're all in sync. So once you click on calendar.google.com, it takes you right into your customized account or your customized homepage. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to export Google Calendar events. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the settings wheel. Click on that, and that takes you here where you have an extended option, which includes settings, trash, density, and color. You have print and you have get add-ons. Go ahead and click on settings. This is going to open up the settings window. So head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have import and export. Click on that and it takes you over here. You have the first category, which is import, and you have the second category, which is export. Now you can download all calendars you can view and modify in a single archive. So for you to export Google Calendar events, go ahead and click on export. And once you click on export, that's it. This will be exported. As you can see, that has been exported already. That's this tree Amanda Mac, and of course you have birthdays. They have been exported already, so just take it to export. This is export. Now settings, my calendars. Okay, I can choose to hide that and just click on this. So I'm just hiding for birthdays, and I'm just choosing just one calendar, which is the 3 Amanda Mac. Okay, so that's here, and I have the Mac Amanda. This is my event and description of the event. So go ahead and click on export calendar. I want to click on export calendar. Just this event or just this calendar will be exported instead of both of them at the same time. So as you can see, I just had to click on this pencil icon right here to just make it non-visible, and then it just went straight to open up this calendar, and here you have the export calendar option. So go ahead and click on export calendar and it's just going to be exported. So that's how you can export Google Calendar events. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.